Good morning, guys. Today is the big day. I have my motor exam and I'm not that nervous, honestly. I deliberately put my alarm at 6. Well, I have to leave the house at 7, so I have time to like wake up, do everything without getting my heart rate too high up. I put on some affirmations and I'm going to pray, like literally pray. So my mom always says that when there's something important, I have to buy like fruits and then put it on the altar. Just pray a little bit, like, hey, my name is this. I was born on this day, and what I like wish for. So I'm offering like fruit, like fresh fruit. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to brush my teeth first, and then I'm going to do all those, and then hope I won't fuck up, because I know I'm able to do it. But it's just scary when someone looks at you. I don't know if I told you guys yet, but at my car exam, I cried because I was so stressed out, and I did pass it. But I was just so stressed out. So I really hope I won't be stressing out that much today. But we'll see. We'll see. Bringing my backpack with me because my motor instructor will just drop me at the exam location, and then I have to make my way to school because I have a tutorial I can't miss. Because if I miss that one, I can't graduate, so it's pretty important for me to not miss that one.
Ra xong ngày âm là ngày bao nhiêu?
Yeah. I'm going to do a little pray.
Cúi đầu xuống đàng hoàng. Thẳng. Xoay ra nó thẳng, xoay.
Này rồi.
Được rồi. Con xin ông bà nội ngoại, đầu tiên con vái ông bà nội ngoại.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm going backpacking right now. I'm going to bike like this to my lesson, and I have to repack. I suddenly realized I will have to bring my shoes in this thing and my jacket, and it's already pretty full with like my school stuff. So I'm not sure how I'm going to do it, but I'll just repack a little bit when I get there. So let's go.
Je krijgt bij een fotograafje hoog. Die zet je er niet aan.
Is goed.
Dan wil je toch achterop. Dan moet daar even aan. Dan is het Zaandijk, het kalf eraf. En dan kom je bij de Burger King uit.
Oh, dan kom je uit bij de Veluwe zo, toch?
Nee, dat is nog veel te ver.
Oh nee.
Put my bag down, and now we're going to practice for 2 hours. This is the place where I always practice. And these are the motors. I'm getting so nervous. I'm like fucking things up I managed to do before. Against the stress. Passed my exam thanks to him.
Yeah, dus waar.
Yes. Walking through wet and moist grass, but can I just, I'm so fucking happy. I think I did everything good. I have to do 2 like again, but I'm so proud of myself. Oh my god. There's one where you have to go really fast and then remove the gas and just, okay, so you're going straight like this and then you have to, my English is not working, you have to avoid like an obstacle, so you have to oh sorry, my head is not working. Remove the gas and then you have to pull yourself to the left and then back to the right. And on that one I scraped the ground with my motor, so I was like shit. But at the end of the like test, they told me, oh, it was pretty like stoer is like a word in Dutch. It means kind of like brave-ish, because they said, oh, we heard that, and that can mean that's like done, you know, but you corrected yourself pretty good, so it shows a good control of your motor. And they were really impressed, they were really happy, so I'm happy as well. Oh my god. So now the most scary part will be next week, to drive on the road in between the traffic. I wasn't crying on this one because I knew that practicing went pretty good, but for that one I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm so insanely happy. You know what, if I don't pass the next one, I don't care. I do care. I'm just telling myself I don't care, but I'm also telling myself I'll just pass it, because it's all mindset, guys. But the most important thing is that I have learned how to control a motor, so if I drive them while traveling, it's going to be more safe. Even a scooter, you know, in Asia there are so many people who learn it in Asia and get themselves into a lot of accidents. I've seen a ton of them like on the road from Chiang Mai to Pai. So I mean, I did that as well. Like last year I didn't have any driving experience, and I just got like a lesson in Malaysia, and from that day I just really loved it, and I kind of fell in love. And I drove scooters my whole trip. Okay, I'm going to look for the bus to go to uni, so I'm ending this little victory vlog. I was just walking and someone just toot. I have no idea what it is called, so maybe you can see I'm like vibrating happiness because I got my exam. Oh, I'm so happy. Whew. Okay. Lecture is almost starting. I'm here with Anouk and Melissa. Melissa,
Yeah.
how's your body after the Krav Maga?
Can you see it? My forearms are sore. Oh yeah,
Mine is bruised. The instructor was pretty rough with me.
Whoa.
Did
Did you do that?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do you remember he asked me like to stab him, and I did it, and he was like, ugh.
Oh my god.
Whoa, that's oh, it's so blue.
Oh, wat erg.
And I have this as well.
Oh, jij hebt dat ook.
Yeah, can you show your hands one more time? Oh wow! We are skipping the next lesson because I have to work, but the week after we're going again. It's in my agenda.
10% van de mensen binnen 6 maanden terug in een verslaving als ze de eerste keer in behandeling gaan. Opiatengebruik in Amerika, verdeeld over verschillende leeftijdscategorieën. In het lichtblauw zie je het gebruik onder vrouwen. Je ziet
It's 7:30 and I'm still at uni. So I wanted to actually study, but I think I've been working on this reel for the last 2 hours maybe, or maybe 3. It took so much time. I really underestimate editing reels. It's my first like cost breakdown. It took me way too long, and I realized I have to focus on studying first, because if I don't pass my exams, I won't even have time to like focus on editing reels. So yeah, that's a bit annoying because I really have to start studying. But I guess after this reel I'll just keep it simple again. Yeah, anyway, I am going to post it and then I'm going to make my way to the freediving pool. Hopefully there's someone training because I can't be there alone. We'll see. Okay, just arrived at the swimming pool. Way too late. Let's go. Oh, I hate these small changing rooms in the pool. The real question now is there anyone from the dive school? Because no one responded in our WhatsApp group, and you need to at least have a buddy with you. So let's see. Oh yeah, I see people. So apparently there's no one else, but they are having like a course right now, so I'm not alone in the pool, so I can swim. So I'll just swim on my own a little bit. Putting my mask and my fins, and I'm going in the water. I finished freediving and I'm visiting my friend right now, Wendy. You might know her if I have posted Morocco vlogs. She moved into this house a while ago and I haven't even seen it. And I'm her best friend, so shame on me. I think this is her house, not sure. Wendy's making some cocktails.
Oh my god! I dacht, huh? Why are you leaving? You wanna shake?
You can shake it for me.
Hire me. Wendy. Lee on Instagram.
I'll tag her in the corner.
W, I mean. What are you gonna do with this?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Precies als je filmt, dan kan niet over. Wacht, cut!
Yay!
You better like it, bitch.
Wow. In a few years, she will be a famous cocktail shaker.
A cocktail bartender.
Yeah.
Bartender is not a word anymore.
No.
God damn. There you go. There needs to be some ice inside though.
Oh.
Did I tell you that you could drink it? No.
Oh. Disgusting.
Is this gonna fit? Oh. But there you go. Cheers. On Tweep, because she passed her exam. The first one. Strong. Poor.
it's nice. Late birthday present.
Very, very late.
I got some money for my travels. I really needed this. This is the best present you could have gotten me at this moment with all my big expenses. Yay! Thank you. Much love. Mwah. We are making ourselves ready for bed. Wendy, are you okay?
You should have filmed it. I'm okay, but you really should have filmed it. I dropped my brand new lamp. Not this one, but another one that I bought today.
She just bought it today.
I just bought it today. Is this safe?
Yes.
Yeah? Can? It's safer?
No, I'm not sure. Imagine like dropping it again on camera.
Then you
That
guys
would
can
suck.
buy me a new one.
That my eyes are like burning from the pool water.
Am I allowed to smoke now or no?
One.
I did. Of course one. No, I'm gonna smoke the whole package.
She asked me like, "Oh, can I smoke?" I said, "No, it's almost like nighttime. Just come to bed." And then she dropped the lamp. Maybe she did it on purpose.
I dropped my lamp of 13 euros to smoke one cigarette.
I don't know how far the addiction goes.
Not that far. Wait, otherwise I would just smoke. It's my house, bitch.
Okay, I'm going to sleep. So